Hello, in this video I will show you how to fast and pretty cheap boost your Steam profile level. You need this to make your profile more beautiful and expensive looking. Alright, the first 5 levels you can increase just by completing tasks from Steam Community Badge. That's not hard and you can make it for 10 minutes. But how to get more levels? The fastest way is crafting badges using trading cards. You can get it from Steam Marketplace, but it takes a lot of time to find cheap cards and cards you haven't used before. So then you can use some services to get trading cards. For example, I can recommend Fran's Level Up service. I have been working with him for a long time, so you can completely trust this one. First of all, add this profile to your friend list. You can find this profile link in the description. They will automatically approve your request. You can now start sending messages to that bot. You can start with a help command to get the needed info about it. Then enter commands to get all possible commands you can use. There are a lot of commands, for example how much keys you have to spend to get some level, or checking current prices. You can try those commands before buying. And also to buy card sets, you can pay with CS2 keys, Team Fortress 2 keys, or gems from your inventory. The most popular method is TF2 keys. You can buy it on Steam Market or some external market like TF Marketplace, Manco Store, D Market, TF2.tm, or other markets. I will leave all links in the description. I have 9 Team Fortress keys and I will use it to boost my Steam level. Let's try some commands. For example, if I want to have level 20, I enter this command, level 20, and the bot gives all the prices for this. You can enter here any level you want to see how much keys or gems you have to spend for this. Alright, as I said I want to buy level with 9 TF2 keys. Enter, buy TF9. The bot automatically sends me trade offer with 63 card sets. You just need to accept this offer. And now as you can see I have sets that I can use to craft badges. It takes a time to craft all the badges. You can use some extensions to make it faster. Alright, I got 32nd level. A higher level gives you the ability to add more friends and use more showcases on your profile. It makes you profile trustable and more expensive. And also I got a lot of emojis and backgrounds I can convert to gems and buy more cards. Okay, you can find a link to this bot in the description. Thanks for watching.